done too much outside today. It's just raining and raining and raining. We've had probably about 30 mil of rain and it's still going. It's rained so much that the gutter has overflowed here. So what I did, my plants were getting, some of these were getting hammered with water. So I've already filled up several buckets with rainwater here. These ones on the ground here, they've just get so much rain coming over the gutter that I had to move them, or else they would have this much water in each pot, and that's way too much. They would have got washed out. So I'm just going to wait for the rain to stop. And all these ones on the back shelf under the eaves here, they're not really getting wet. This shelf here under the eaves is not really getting wet either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that rainwater in the bucket, soak these things when the rain stops. Oh, it's finally stopped raining. It's really quiet. All I can hear is the little bits of water trickling down the drain pipe still. The buckets are really full of water. They overflowed pretty quickly as well, but I've got 3 buckets full now of rainwater, which I've got my cup. I'm going to scoop up some water and just water these things under the eaves because they're still quite dry. These pots didn't get wet at all. So everyone can have a soak of rainwater. I think they'll like it. Just pour it all the way in. It's easier just to pour. No, I shouldn't probably pour it on top of them, but hey, it's quicker. It's hard to get it into the actual pot because the pots are quite full. You can see they're quite dry too. Well, they're not now, but I've got quite a bit of rainwater here. This one here, Little Lowy, and this is a Succulents Delight hybrid here. I think it's called Surprise, something like that. This one here, Brave. He got a little bit of fungus over winter, but hey, he was brave, and his looks like it's going away there. It's got a nice fresh bit in the middle. This one's a pink champagne. It's not very pink, huh? But maybe it will go pink as it gets older. I don't know what this one, I'll have to look at the tag to see what this one is. I don't know. And same with this one here. We'll put that in, let's have a look. What are you? Serious. And what's this one? I can't see that. What is it? Ebony times Reuben. Oh, cross with Reuben. Ebony Reuben hybrid. I'll keep watering. Do these ones down the bottom here. Soak, pour it in. Same with you. What's this one? Scarlet Sunset. It's only slightly scarlet. I can't see the tag for this one either. There is a tag in there, it's under here, I think. New Home Alone. Well, he's by himself at the moment, he doesn't have any babies or anything. This is one of my favourites, Black Swan. Give that one a soak now. Put that in and get some more. Let's just give it a full wash over with rainwater. Same with you. You put it all over. You. Arura. Sounds kind of Japanese, doesn't it? What's this one? Polar bear. Give these ones at the back a soak too. Give him a soak. Give you some rainwater. Oh, see, look, it's bubbling. That was very dry. Perhaps we'll give him some more. We'll get some more for that one. See in there. I'll put some more, fill him up again. Oh, look at that bubbling. It's very dry. We'll do one more. When the air bubbles stop, that should be soaked. Do one more, fill it up. Right to the top, huh? You can hear it. Now that's a good soaking now. Oh, so I'll move my bucket and then I'll water these ones over here. I've got my bucket down here now. But you can see these pots now, they look quite moist. You can see that they're soaked. Before that, they were looking rather dry, the actual terracotta. So they probably needed a drink. So now we'll do these little bowls. I'll do these ones carefully because there's a little one in there that I'm trying to grow. I don't want to wash it out. See, it's tiny just there. Just water these ones gently. Got some more champagnes there. Some of these will need to be repotted soon, I think, because they're getting a little bit big for the bowls. But hey, that's another project. We can only water this one over here on here. I'll just soak it. This one is a Romeo Reuben, the red one. And this tiny little one is called Adam. He's a very slow, small grower. Soak. And this one's too. I'll do this little bowl here. And this one's looking very dry. I'll just gently water that one in. If I pour the water onto that little shell, it doesn't really splash everywhere. It doesn't wash the rocks out anyway. With this little bowl, give him a soak. A bit more. This one. And we'll do the bottom row down here. And I'll just water those ones at the back too. Yeah. These ones don't usually get much water either. This is a Gaia. I've got a few goes, so this is a smaller one. What's this one? I think Floriana or Floridity, one of the other. Maybe they're the same. A little pop down here, so cute. Now they've all had some rainwater under the eaves as well. Got plenty more water. I'll go walk around the house and see if there's anything else under the eaves that's not very wet and use this water up. I found a few little cactuses that have these ones sitting in my back door, and that's undercover. So these don't usually get much water unless I water them. So I'm going to use the rest of the rainwater and get it out of the bucket here and water these. This one here, here's a little rainbow cactus. Look, it's getting a flower bud, huh? And so is this one here. And this might have 2 flower buds, I think. Beautiful flowers, I can't wait. And this one's a variegated fairy castle. This little one here. So I'll give them a soak. Oh, that's better. Get the camera down so you can see. Let's just pour it all over him, huh? Give him a full soak. I'll do it gently. He probably hasn't had water on him for like this for a long time. It's quite green under the pink bits. And that one's pretty wet. Let's do fairy castle. We'll do this one a couple of times because it's in the terracotta pot. It's going to take a while to absorb all the water. Bit more. I'll let it soak. Get some more water. Now we'll do this part. We'll do this one gently too. I'll just pour him over the top as well so he can have a drink. Look at this red one, huh? This one hasn't had any flowers yet, so I'm keen to see. And this one here, it's called Arizona Snowcap, this little white one. I've actually had this cactus for probably about 20 years, and it keeps growing and growing, and I keep splitting it up. And this is a little piece of the original. My auntie gave me this cactus. Yeah, probably about 25 years ago. Like it's raining in the desert. In the desert, it just pours and then it goes dry again. Oh, it's overflowing. We'll leave that. I'll give you some more. Oh. Yep. There you go. They look a bit happier already.